That white crusty buildup on your favorite shower head is more than just an eyesore. It is a warning sign that your plumbing is under constant attack from minerals. That chalky residue ruins your coffee maker and makes your laundry feel like sandpaper against your skin. Most people just accept hard water as a fact of life, but it does not have to be that way. Whirlpool offers a solution that sits right in that sweet spot for the average homeowner. This is not some ultra-expensive industrial rig that requires a specialized technician for every minor adjustment. It is an entry-level to mid-range system designed to be accessible and effective. This setup uses a salt-based ion exchange process to tackle the problem at the source. Think of it as a clever chemical trade-off. It targets harsh minerals like calcium and magnesium and swaps them out for something much gentler. The immediate result is water that feels noticeably slicker and softer. You will notice the difference the very first time you wash your hair. Your soap will actually lather up into a rich foam instead of just disappearing. Your dishes will come out of the dishwasher crystal clear without those annoying white spots. One of the smartest features here is the demand-initiated regeneration cycle. The system is not just running on a mindless timer. It monitors your actual water consumption. It only regenerates when it absolutely needs to. This saves a massive amount of salt over the course of a year. It also prevents unnecessary wear and tear on the internal components. We do have to talk about the reality of consumer-grade appliances, though. While many users report a decade of reliable service, these units can occasionally struggle with long-term durability. You might encounter a finicky control valve or a sensor that gets grumpy after 5 years. It is a trade-off for the lower price point. These are typically single-tank designs. This means there is a short window of time, usually in the middle of the night, when the system cleans itself. During that brief period, you might get a little hard water through the taps. If you can live with that, the benefits are huge. For the handy types out there, the installation is a very rewarding weekend project. You start by shutting off your main water line and finding a level spot near a drain and an outlet. You have to cut into the pipe and install the bypass valve. This is the most critical connection. You hook up the inlet and outlet ports using standard fittings. Then you secure the drain hose. Make sure that hose is anchored well so it does not jump around during a high-pressure flush. You add your water and salt pellets to the brine tank. When you turn the water back on, do it very slowly. Watch every single connection for the tiniest sign of a leak. Once you plug it in, you just input your local water hardness level and run a manual cycle to prime the system. It is a straightforward process that pays off every single time you turn on a faucet. Just stay on top of the salt levels and your pipes will thank you for years to come. Your water heater will run more efficiently and your skin will stop feeling so dry after a shower. It is about taking control of your home environment and protecting your plumbing.